Also, that way now, I don't know. I don't know what I
also one of them on the land the disadvantages. You are the disadvantages.
Yeah, like now you got the advantages, and the advantage is so good. It's okay, but to give you another way, disadvantage of it.
And I consider where.
Yeah, and I consider that everybody will not behave the same. In the sense that we can get a weird and weird, again, what understanding to do it together. And again, is the child almost no for the weekend, your father got the capable to train them. How's woman? I got at that age, when parents got the aged, or their parents got the aged, to come and take good care of them, which was the main purpose. So those things also should be in consideration.
Okay. Okay, let me respond to number one. The number one reason abroad is not part of it. The number one reason with the observation now, population now is declining. Okay. That's number one reason. Okay. Secondly, I'm going to teach. For instance, now, other place, how much our custom, how much society. Now, with this, I know that igbo as a race, I know probably going to extinction. Okay? Just like in the China, before, now I see more to one. Due to that, the population is too much. If I know how long is declining, I support one more. As a tribe, I know our population is declining. Can't we do something about it? Naturally, it's like, okay. And what if any so? You know, that one advantage like this, yeah. But like you rightly said, the war took care of all this. Yeah. That is why I had their own polygamy was built. Yeah. Now, it left us. I actually did not the journey. We must look at the disadvantages. Even when law. Even people, comment around here. I said, I tell you, it's a law. And then we go on now there, the polygamy as well, dozens and dozens. And then give them care. There is no how, that love and affection must be there. Now, you are going to over now, also more time when you watch the baby. Like one matter, need to go over the market. She should be able to control her. There is no matter how, a thought in love, like my younger sister, you will get it in one like a child. My mom, my dad said, we get out of here. You tell Anna for 1 year, for 1 year. With that, you will understand that only at the 1 year, I should stay. I don't know too. Then there was a party. When the party, I come my mom, I come now, and so on. Some of that, open like you had. I'm sure I was like, I can't tell them I get a party. Eventually, I went. So, what did they say to the family matters. What time they shine. So, here they may can they go, like the campaign they did, so I'm trying to do that with lawyers. I don't he now such a with the Sharia law, marriage and every other thing. It's very much Sharia law. Can't we assume the Igbo customary laws, put them up like